IJ Printer Assistant Tool for Canon Printer Windows 10. Here's a tutorial for using the Canon IJ Printer Assistant Tool on Windows 10. Canon IJ Printer Assistant Tool Tutorial, Windows 10 Introduction. The Canon IJ Printer Assistant Tool helps you manage printer settings, perform maintenance like cleaning nozzles, and troubleshoot issues. How to open the IJ Printer Assistant tool. Connect your Canon printer to your PC. Go to Control Panel, Devices and Printers. Right-click on your Canon printer icon. Select Printing Preferences. Click the Maintenance tab. Click IJ Printer Assistant Tool if available, or directly use the maintenance options here. Key Features Overview. Nozzle check. Check if ink is flowing properly. Cleaning, deep cleaning. Fix print quality issues. Print head alignment. Fix misaligned prints. Ink level information. View ink status. Custom settings. Change print speed, quality, etc. Performing a nozzle check. Click Nozzle check. Load paper and click Print check pattern. Check the pattern. If missing lines, do a cleaning. Cleaning the print head. Click Cleaning. Follow the prompt and click Execute. Wait for the process, try 1 to 2 min. Run nozzle check again to verify improvement. Accessing ink level info and custom settings. Click Ink level information to view ink status. Click Custom settings to enable/disable quiet mode. Adjust print head height. Set paper jam recovery settings. Tips and troubleshooting. Always use genuine Canon ink. If cleaning doesn't help, try deep cleaning. For persistent issues, use print head alignment.